Hello, welcome to another quick tutorial from Premier EPOS. Today I'm going to show you the statistical section of the app. So, what I mean by that is, let me log into the app. Okay, it's this section here I'm talking about. So if I click on here, there's a few things you can do. So what you can do, you can walk around your actual store and you might want to scan a product and just see how it's doing. So if I click on that one now, I need to rob a quick barcode. So I'll just take that one, scan that one in. And there you go. So there's the actual product itself right there. And then obviously it gives me some general sales statistics based on this particular item. So it's because it gives you a massive list here of all different types of things you might want to see. You know, when it was sold, you know, what time period it was sold, obviously when it first sold. So you can go quite in depth into this and find out exactly what's gone on with that particular product throughout its history. There's also a nice little chart here you can click on. And then it actually tells you sort of, obviously I've only sold some this month, but either way you can actually have to change it so it can actually be a lot larger. So what I'm going to do, I'll scan in another item just for the fun of it. So if I then scan this item, and then you have it, some more data there. So you're probably, there you go, and that's pretty much how you sort of like get some quick information based on a product. If you just walk around your store, give it a quick scan, see if it's worth keeping. Nice little tool there for you. There's also the store statistics section as well. So you obviously don't need to scan it for that. So what I can do is click on that one, or you need a start and an end date. So let's change that. Let's go for the, say this, just do this month, for example. And then obviously you can exclude any mail order transactions from this actual list if you wish to, because they're technically web orders, not actual store sales. But obviously you can include them if you wish to. Same up to, you can also include up to 250 items on your list as well if you wish to. So if I tap to retrieve the data, and there you have it. So obviously I haven't done very well this month. I've only done 8. It's only a little test database, but either way, it tells you some information based on obviously how your store's performing. It's just quite useful, especially if you're out of the store as well. We do have another section, a web portal section, that will give you more detailed information. But this is obviously just a nice little quick way of having a quick look to see how the store is actually doing. You can actually click on obviously the item sold as well and see what's actually been selling throughout that period as well. So it's a nice little quick way, mainly for a daily check more than anything else. There's also some custom report section here as well. Now, not every single one of these will work because they're technically designed to run on the actual software itself, but most of them should work. So if you just wanted to have a little quick, let's just pick one. Let's go for, let's see, there's quite a few here. Let's go for subtype sales over the past 7 days. So if we click on that one, let's just do today's date. Run that one. And that will, then there you go. So there's obviously today's date. Tells you obviously what type of item I've sold. I've sold literally just cat complete food, and it gives you a breakdown of what it is there as well. Obviously throughout the, if you obviously set the date back, it would give you 7 days backwards. But as you can see that little information there. It's just nice to sort of be able to have a quick little overview and overlook. It is literally just a small extension to the actual EPOS itself, and it's again very great if you don't actually have like a laptop connected or a back office connected to the actual database. A nice little quick way of doing it on your phone. And there you have it. And that's the statistics section. So I do hope that's been useful. Thank you very much for watching. Take care, and I'll check you out next time. See you now.